India does not lack nationalism. What we lack is awareness. Awareness of our history, awareness of our ancient culture, and awareness of millennia of injustice this land has gone through. Trust me, the day you actually read the real Indian history in detail, you will feel that deep emotional bond with the nation. And then one question naturally arises. Why the history was hidden? How many people know about Goa Inquisition? How many people know that there is a Hath Katro Khamb in Goa, a place where people's hands were chopped off because they refused to convert? Thousands were killed, many chose death over conversion. And today, the person who supported this brutality, Saint Francis Xavier, is celebrated as a saint. How many of us know about Bengal famine? Over 3.5 million Indians died, not because food was not available, but because food was taken away. This happened within months. Yet we rarely speak about it. Why? Because we were trained to move on and forget everything. Most of the Indian don't even know all these things have happened. Issue is not that Indian lack nationalism. Issue is that Indians were never given their own story. I'm not saying we should carry hatred, but forgetting everything and behaving as if nothing happened is not right. Imagine what we have gone through and still where we are now. Nationalism is not about shouting slogans. It's not an identity. It's about knowing who you are, where you come from, and what you went through. Civilizational awareness naturally leads to nationalism. So 2 centuries of economic extraction, cultural erosion, mass death cannot be dismissed as the past. Because the society that forgets its own suffering slowly forgets its own value, culture, and the roots. Then what happens? Others will decide what your history is and whether it mattered at all. So know your history.